Okay, so we're going to try multiple angle method. I'm going to use method 2, and that means I'm going to build a, oopsie, that's unfortunate. I'm going to build a domain around which I'm going to solve for 3 theta. So ultimately, my final solution requires theta to be between 0 and 2 pi. So I'm going to multiply every element by 3, which tells me that 6 theta, oh, I'm sorry, 3 theta, hold on, 3 theta will live between 0 and 6 pi. So I'm going to solve for 3 theta. I know that the quadrantal value for cosine being at -1 occurs at pi, but I can take all of my solutions all the way up to 6 pi. So I'm going to add a revolution, get to 3 pi. I'm going to add another revolution, get to 5 pi. If I add another revolution, I'll get to 7 pi, but that's too big. So I'm going to stop at 5 pi. So this is what we have. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide everything by 3. And so now I'm solving for theta. I get 3 solutions, and all 3 lie in the 0 to 2 pi interval.